Going live.
Going live.
Going live. Thank you for watching.
Let's see. We will see.
We will
Something
see
new.
something new.
Good. Wow. How much was all this?
200 pesos.
For everything?
Yeah.
Wow.
This right?
Yeah.
Surprise! Come this and no boom. Boom. No boom. Yes. Just come to say hi and like. Thank you, Surprise.
Hey, he lied. He said he's going back to watching his movie.
Going back to watching my movie. Okay, enjoy. Thank you, Surprise. Take your time.
Very good. You know how to make this? You make this too?
I make this too. I made it. I know how to cook it. Thank you for life. Yeah, because it's noodles. Not eating with fingers.
He said, I guess when you see me, I'm like, that day is drunk. My friend Chucky must have tried to call me yesterday. I didn't see that. Maybe he's, I know he was going to Japan. I think Vietnam. Then he was coming here.
Okay.
Yeah, my friend Chucky. Remember when I said he's building a house on the East Coast from Manila?
Yeah. Hello, girl. Hi.
He's the one in the pictures. Me and him together. A long time ago. Grew up together. Is it good, honey? You like?
I love. I like. Tastes good.
That's good. That's good. Almost as good as Sheryl.
Mm.
I keep forgetting you got that.
That's good. You can put another.
What are they, little limes?
Huh?
Limes.
Yeah. Hi. For Daha. Thank you. Hello.
Fred, as soon as I said the $10, Fred saw it. That's my $10. Mm, mm, good.
Good deal. Thank you, Tony Campbell. Thank you. Have a good nice day.
Where your family lives now, is that the same place they've been for a long time?
Yeah. Since I birth, the daily.
Since you were a little baby?
Yeah. I get born in.
And when your father worked, what did he do?
At the farm, at the mountain, coconut, rice field.
I worked on a farm every summer from the time I was like 12, maybe 11. Oh, no, wait a minute. I was 9 when I started picking onions.
Mm. Chicken on.
You gotta get the onions, cut the ends off, put them in a basket, go down the road. And they paid you for each basket you filled up, they gave you 15 cents.
Thank you for watching. That's good.
The noodles keep growing,
Yeah.
keep taking out, they keep getting bigger.
Yeah.
The food is the best because I was nervous before I came. I didn't know if I'd like the food. I said, I'll try it. But so far, it's good. Everything's good.
Everything's good.
I don't think no dried fish there. I don't know. I don't think so.
Okay.
The fish, I don't.